Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT regular cab. This two-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 208,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.